Oh my god. Can you reach that high? I can't.
Of course I can reach that high.
Hi guys. Welcome to the Anthony Show. Is that right? Wait, do it again.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the Anthony Show. Look who I have with me.
You should have like a background music. Okay.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Shina.
Shina.
Shine. Just call me Shine.
Call her Shine. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
She's from the Philippines!
But
Okay.
I stay in Sac now.
Sac, California, where I am from. And we both have common interests. We like Moris Edamon. We love the Filipino culture. And in this video, I'm gonna show her. This is gonna be her first video on my channel of many, right?
Yeah.
Right? Give me some. And it's gonna be ASAP Asia Songbird. Do you know who that is?
Yes.
Who?
Asia Songbird is Regine, right?
Yes, it's Regine. And you have the Popstar royalty.
Sarah Geronimo.
Oh yeah. Join their
Regine.
voices in a dream collab. So we don't even know the song.
Yeah, I don't know.
You ready for this?
Yes,
So we're gonna get straight into this, guys. We're gonna have more videos for you guys. We're gonna try to produce a lot once every day. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button on the goal to 50,000 subscribers. Let's get straight into the video in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, Sergi. Oh my goodness. So just give your thoughts. Oh, it's Tagalog. Oh.
Of course she's gonna Tagalog.
No, she sings English.
She does, but this is Tagalog song.
Okay, I need you to translate it for me.
Oh, everything.
Well, just like what it means.
So all those people who are dreaming, I guess.
At me, waiting to meet Sarah Geronimo. Oh my God.
I can't. I need to understand what she's saying. You're so enthusiastic, like in your videos. You're so energetic. Do you understand it enough?
A little, just like some parts. I feel like I could key it together though.
I actually never heard this song.
What's the meaning so far?
Wait.
Okay, Sarah. Okay.
She's asking like, can I be with you one more time? Like, something.
Wait, you want to be with me?
No, her.
Look at that smile. Huh? She's crying?
No, Regine.
Oh, I was gonna say, my Sarah is not gonna cry.
Oh.
Oh.
That's so dramatic.
Here she is.
Is this a new video?
This is a new video.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna say something later.
Say it. Well, later.
No, because she just...
Later.
you know,
Later.
I was gonna say, it's not a big deal, but...
Is this the same song? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Wala ka na. That means like, I don't have you?
Yeah. Ano na.
Oh, there we go. See, I'm working.
Regine Songbird. Mahirap kalimutan ka what's that mean?
It's hard to forget you?
Yeah.
Give me some! Boom!
You know more than me.
No way.
So fast for you. She still have a good beat. She can reach vocals like so high.
Yeah. I think she still got it.
Yeah, she's still doing it.
She's the Regine Velasquez. The. Oh yeah, that's gold right there. What does that mean?
Si Lani sa dagat na hobot? I don't know.
Sounds like she's going hard.
She is going hard. I like this music.
That's intense. Like having these two legends on the stage.
Again? Is I think they had it before.
Not that many times though.
No.
It's very unique.
Dang, like,
Laging hanap, I've been looking for you. Awesome. That's it, I'm coming to you guys, the Philippines. I'm coming to you.
You ready? I can't even. Oh wait, is this from the? I think she had a movie and she made this as a song.
Maybe.
Geronimo, yeah.
Oh,
I like the movie.
which movie?
It's a new one where she was like.
Miss Granny?
Yeah.
No way!
Wait, it's not new. It's new.
Yes, it's new.
That's a song.
You watched it?
No, I didn't. I need to watch it.
I haven't
But I
watched
think
it
that's
either.
a song. Oh my god. Can you reach it high? I
Of
can't.
course I can reach that high.
Uh-huh.
Come on, everybody can do that.
I can't. You're vibing, girl. You like it?
I like it. Tico na, what does that mean?
Nico na. I can't.
I can't
Nico
what?
na magtatago. I can't hide the feelings, I guess, anymore.
Thank you. Sometimes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Oh, what happened? Aww. Look at that.
You should like.
Sarah, don't cry.
It's emotional.
I can't even I don't know what I would do if I was there. These two are really something else.
Yeah, see? She was so honored. Like,
Sarah? Sarah's very humble. I really like Sarah.
yeah. She's humble.
So, what do you think?
Oh, I was gonna say.
What are you gonna say?
So Regine used to be in another channel. Do you know that? Like she's
GMA.
not- yeah.
Yeah.
You know it. Yeah, and now she just actually transferred to ABS.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Her contract is like everyone's so amazed by that, and like almost all the singers like trying to go to ABS. It's so funny.
How about Julianne?
Julianne, okay, no, she might be like in a few years.
No.
Not right now. It's too soon. It's too soon to say.
I would need
She
a
can-
watch for that. I would need a watch.
Yeah, she look. See, what I'm saying she's good at GMA. Like there are people that just stay there is good. I'm not
I feel
hating.
like
I'm not trying to offend them. It's just they're good, and they're.
Definitely. I feel like ABS-CBN has just like more like their videos are more seen around the world than GMA. So I don't really even see that many GMA videos here in America. Mainly the ABS-CBN because you have like the big stars like Sarah Geronimo, and you just added Regina. This is like Empire. This is like the recruiting labels and everything. But what do you think about the singing in the song? So wait, it's from Miss Granny?
Yeah, I heard that from the trailer. It's really nice.
I watched the trailer.
Look at it. I think that's a song. I really like it. I like that song in the trailer.
Okay.
I was gonna sing it, but I can't.
So you understood the song?
A little bit. I can't translate it. You know more than me.
No way. That's
Right?
like you could tell. You could even ask them. I don't know that much at all.
Yeah, you do. He knows. He's better than me.
No, not at all.
Okay. Well, it was a good one. I like it. I've never heard of that song. I don't think that's an old song. Did they just make that? You know?
Possibly, yeah.
And seeing them together collab. You know, it's pretty good.
We could be wrong though.
emotional. What?
We could be wrong. Maybe it's not from Miss Granny.
It is from Miss Granny.
Are you sure?
I swear it
How much
is.
you wanna bet?
Like, I swear. I'm gonna check it out.
Okay. Well, what I thought it was, I'm just still kind of shocked just seeing the, like, it's not every video or maybe once a year where we see these two legends collab with each other with such huge labels on their names, and just seeing these two together is somewhat kind of unbelievable.
It is.
You know, like,
Or
we all...
legends in general. I'm saying,
Exactly.
like, they collab and seeing them together.
Yeah. It's like huge. It's like when Morizette had that party with Julianne. I think with Regine, actually, they had all the queens like line up. You know
Who would you say? Wait, is there a video of them? All of them?
Yes.
Who?
It was Regine. It was like her birthday celebration.
Really? With who? Other people?
Yeah, like Morizette. I think I might have the video. I'll check it out. I'll show it to her.
Wow.
But there's other videos I'm gonna want to show her. But yeah, is there anything you want to say?
No. I like it. I like the song.
thank you guys for watching all the way through. This is a 10-minute video. It's pretty long, but thank you guys for staying tuned. I hopefully you love my new guest. She's gonna be doing more videos with me. Hopefully.
We'll see.
Hopefully. So guys, hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel on the goal to 50,000 subscribers. Comment what you want to see next. Like this video for more and share. Is there anything you want to say to the peeps?
Bye.
Bye. Okay, peace out, guys. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in my next video.
That's how you do it.